The Security Council will now begin its consideration of Item 2 of the agenda. The Security Council is meeting in accordance with the understanding reached in its prior consultations. Members of the Council have before them document S/2010/29, which contains a draft resolution submitted as a presidential text, co-sponsored by all the members of the Security Council and additionally co-sponsored by Argentina, Canada, Chile, Guatemala, Peru, and Uruguay. I wish to draw the attention of the Council members to document S/2010/27, which contains the text of a letter dated 18th January 2010 from Mexico addressed to the President of the Security Council. It is my understanding that the Council is ready to proceed to the vote on the draft resolution before it. Unless I hear any objection, I shall put the draft resolution to the vote now. There being no objection, it is so decided. Will those in favor of draft resolution raise their hand? The result of the voting is as follows. The draft resolution received 15 votes in favor. The draft resolution has been adopted unanimously as Resolution 1908. The members of the Security Council just unanimously adopted Resolution 1908, deciding to increase the troop levels of MINUSTAH. This fully demonstrates great importance the Council attaches to the post-disaster situation in Haiti and the strong support to the work of MINUSTAH at this challenging moment. It also demonstrates the common desire of the United Nations and the international community as a whole to support the rescue and post-disaster reconstruction efforts in Haiti. We believe that the adoption of this resolution will facilitate more effectively the implementation by MINUSTAH of the important tasks to maintain peace, stability in Haiti, to support disaster relief efforts, and to help restore capacity building and post-disaster reconstruction. The Security Council thus concludes its consideration of the agenda item. The meeting is adjourned. Thank you.